After the first auto cleaning is complete, you can follow the app's guidance to enable the brand new Agent YIKO and enjoy a fully intelligent, autonomous cleaning experience. In this mode, all cleaning settings will be completed for you by Agent YIKO, such as using different water flow rates for different rooms, or adjusting the suction power and cleaning speed based on your habits. In this mode, once you start a cleaning task, Agent YIKO will first analyze various information through a deep thinking model, such as your home's room layout, your cleaning habits and preferences, cleaning history, and the weather. After the analysis, Agent YIKO will automatically generate a complete cleaning plan and begin working. You can make adjustments to the details of the cleaning plan at any time, such as modifying cleaning parameters, like the suction power and water flow rate for a specific room, or adjusting the cleaning order. If the plan generated by Agent YIKO is not to your liking, don't worry. Open the Agent YIKO conversation interface, select Preferences, and then tell Agent YIKO your preferences. Don't clean the bedroom after 10 p.m.
User does not want to clean the bedroom after 10 p.m. I will avoid cleaning the bedroom when scheduled after 10 p.m.
You can also try, don't clean the living room on weekends.
User does not want to clean the living room on weekends. I will avoid cleaning the living room when planning tasks on Saturdays and Sundays.
More preferences are waiting for you to discover. Agent YIKO is not only capable of planning and executing a cleaning plan when you request it, but it can also remind you to clean at recommended times and provide you with a preset cleaning plan to choose from. You can enter the scenario cleaning interface through the reminders sent to you by Agent YIKO. After Agent YIKO has completed the plan, you can confirm the plan it provides for you, or save it after making minor adjustments, so as to quickly execute the optimal strategic cleaning. Thank you for watching. In the app settings, tap Help to view more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, the world's largest home service robotics company,